do a quick energy check for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. I want to thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate you. Let's get started. What does Aquarius need to know? Looks like something is building. You might just be starting a new relationship with someone, new job, something new where you're coming together with someone and it's building. And you're trying to move through it, like maneuver through it, you know, flow with it. You might be feeling a little bit like you're wavering a little. And the universe is saying to trust your intuition right now. You're safe. Be persistent. Get loud about what you want. It doesn't necessarily mean aggressive, but speak about what you want or what you need. And be flexible with things. Know that you have everything you need. Take a soft approach to this and speak with someone or a group of someone's, or, you know, I'm not sure exactly what this is about. But express how you're feeling about things. If things aren't really feeling right, excuse me, kind of minimal, cold maybe, express what you're feeling. You have a unique connection with whoever or whatever this is. More than likely a person. Could be romantic. Doesn't have to be. They make you really happy and you make them happy. And this is someone that cares about how you feel. So don't let it take over your mind. Just speak about it. Let it out. This is an opportunity for you to open up and be vulnerable instead of holding it all inside. It's also an opportunity for them to be able to come to help you get through this. They may have a unique perspective on what to do. I think this is something you definitely need to open up about. Trust your intuition, express how you feel, and see where it leads you. All right, good luck, guys. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.